Please watch this guy who is cleaning the clog on the opening of the drainage to avoid the mass flooding in the area. Salute to this guy. Let's give him a round of applause and let everyone make what you are doing right now to save your place, to save the Mother Earth, and to save all the people on your vicinity. Thank you for watching this video, and it really make a sense and good example to everyone. To avoid mass flooding, please clean your surroundings. Do not throw any garbage on the street or everywhere. Just put the garbage on the proper place to avoid the flood.